Welcome to the 2025 AWBD Annual Conference. You should have received your There's an App for the 2025 AWBD Annual Conference invitation email. Open the email and you will see two buttons to download the event app from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. However, if you have used the conference app before, you are already on the right track. Now, open the app, use the search bar at the top to type AWBD Annual, and click the download icon and arrow to get the latest version of the app. The page will then ask you for your first and last name and email address. Please use the same email you used to register for the conference. Once you've filled out your contact information, check your email for a 6-digit verification code. This code is valid for one use and expires after 24 hours. If it expires or you are logging in on a new device, you will need to request a new code. Once you log in, you can build your personal conference schedule by selecting the sessions you want to attend. Each session includes a description, presentation, speaker bios, and contact information. Don't forget to ask speakers questions in the live Q&A feature under the session, and be sure to fill out the survey. You must click the plus sign to add it to your schedule to ask questions. Calling all friends to compete for a chance to win points with our conference game. Do not miss out on a fun way to interact and engage with others. If you've reached the end of this video, you are officially ready for a successful time at the conference. Make sure to follow AWBD on all social media platforms and tag us in all photos using hashtag AWBD. For additional assistance, check out the 4 Easy Steps guide on the inside cover of the conference notebook, or visit the app help desk near the West registration area.